Welcome to Right Price DIY. We are a family-run independent DIY and hardware store. We have been established on this site since 1996. We have stock lines of over 15,000 items. We are open 7 days a week. We do local deliveries. We have knowledgeable staff. Come and pay us a visit.
As one of the largest fully independent hardware stores in Somerset, we're proud to be known as an Aladdin's Cave of DIY essentials, with our knowledgeable team offering in-depth advice and guidance to ensure you always go home with the right product. At Right Price DIY, we know that there's nothing more satisfying than being able to pick up everything you need for your latest project in one trusted and reliable place. From home improvement tools and equipment to everything you need for a high-quality finish, we're confident that we'll be able to provide you with the right product at the right price every time. And if we don't stock the product you need, there's no need to shop around. We'll try our best to source it, doing all the hard work for you. We even provide discounts for the over 60s, trade and blue light card holders. We also have free parking on site and our helpful staff will load your vehicle. Just ask. If you're looking for a Calagas and camping gas stockist, you found one. We also sell coal, kiln-dried logs and hot mats too. If you're in need of sheet material cutting or timber products at a specific length, just come and see us. At Right Price DIY, you only pay for what you need. As a family business, we know that DIY isn't just for Sundays and bank holidays, which is why we're open 7 days a week. Come and see for yourself. You won't be disappointed.